In this video, I am gonna teach you and show you how building a free community, whether a Facebook group or a private Skool community. Skool is a special app where you can create your own community course and mastermind outside of Facebook, right? How building this free community can serve you as a lead magnet. So you build an email list while you're building this private free community, and then you can turn this free community or the email list that you are building into a paid membership as well. I'm gonna share with you this idea right now in this video. So you have your social media audience and all of the followers that follow your content on Instagram, on YouTube or wherever, right? And you want at the end of the day to build a paid course or paid membership. And in between here, you could put an idea of running a free community or building an email list as well, because this mini bridge can make it easier on you to turn your social media audience into paid members. And you could give away to people this idea that you're running a free community and that you have certain free course or free video as well that you're gonna give them if they join your community. You could use this idea as a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is something that your social media audience wants to buy in for free, and they will give you for this value in exchange their email or so, and they're gonna take that next small stepping toward being more connected with you, and you can nurture them then more, right, by you building an email list or having this Facebook or Skool private group free community. And it's gonna be easier for you then to turn them into a paid member because they're gonna trust you more. There will be more connection if you introduce them then to the opportunity for them to pay. Some of them will pay to get more support from you. They can be moving forward faster and get more help and more solutions from you. So the idea that you are running a free community where people can get more help and more support as part of your community discussion forum, right, on Skool or in Facebook, right, is going to serve you as a lead magnet. For example, if you go to your social media channels, your Instagram, your stories, your Facebook profile or YouTube, and you say to people, hey guys, I created this free community, I created this free course as well, or a free video masterclass on achieving this certain outcome. Here you will insert, if you help people with loving themselves more, right? You're gonna say where I teach you how you can love yourself more. Who wants the access to it? Who wants the link to join this free private community? And people will be attracted to it. They will comment, yes, I want it, send me the details, or reply to your stories, or they will click the link that you gave them, and this is gonna get them to register to your Skool community or to your Facebook group, and they're gonna become your lead now. And whoever is gonna be coming into your free community, you know that they are at least a little bit interested in your value, otherwise they wouldn't be coming in, right? And they coming to your free group community, you will also be building an email list. Because, for example, when they register to Skool or they join a Facebook group of yours, you can ask them to give you their email as well, right? And in exchange, you're gonna send them some kind of free video masterclass or a free course of yours or so. And here is a screenshot of how I do this, right? So I ask them a few questions that they need to answer coming into my free Facebook group, or this is actually my free Skool community here. And as you can see, I ask them, what email should I send the course materials and instructions about this community to? People need to give me their email, and that builds my email list automatically as well. And that's why I'm saying that building a free community can serve you as a lead magnet, and you are building a more connected and more intimate environment of those people who are more interested in your value, in your solutions, rather than just those average people who are following you on social media. Here I'm giving you 3 questions that you can ask people, right? I said the first question, this is a serious group for only this kind of people. Tell me more about in which stage you are, or whatever. You can adjust these questions, right? Then I ask them for the email here. And I also asked them if they would want to know more about my weekly group masterminding calls or my support group. and I ask them if they want info about this as well. This question is awesome. I mean, I actually don't ask them this question when they come to my school group right now, but I ask them this question all the time when they were joining my free Facebook group community. Now I shifted my free Facebook group community to school group community. I recorded also another video where I shared the benefits of school comparing to Facebook group, right? So check my YouTube channel or check my courses to learn more about that, right? But imagine you asking people when they are entering your free community this question: hey, do you want to know also more about our weekly group support group calls, right, which are paid actually, right? And some of them will say yes. They're giving you permission for you to send them more details about your paid membership, right? And this creates that, you see, transition then to then some of them becoming your paid members already at get-go while they're coming in, right, to your free community, right? So that's another benefit of you building this lead magnet. Now, that's the whole idea, right? Now they come in and they give you their email. They also can request to know more about your paid stuff, right? But the whole point is that in your community, people will engage with your content, and this will often lead to conversations, which can lead to sales calls. And I teach you this as part of my Build a Paid Community course. And people here in your free community now will be regularly exposed to your promotional posts. They will receive emails from you, and you will provide them with an opportunity to upgrade, right, into your paid membership. But at the same time, of course, they will grow a lot, right, because you are serving them anyway, but you are still giving them an opportunity that they can upgrade if they want to. And that all happens very authentically and naturally if you know how to do that. But the whole idea now of this video here is that if you build a free group community of 300, 400 people, I bet that out of those 300, 400 free people, 10 or 20 will want to become your paid members. And for you to build a community of 300, 400 people, right, it's easier to build a free community still rather than a paid community of 300, 400 members, right? So this idea can serve you as a nice transition. And always, this free community is always going to keep feeding your paid membership then as well. And in your free community, you can have more connection with your audience rather than them just being your social media followers, right? You will first build this free community, and after you grow it a little bit to 200, 300, 400 people, then you can introduce to these people a paid membership of yours, or you can do this simultaneously, right? That's the way that I'm doing it now. I'm growing my free group community. I'm running already my paid membership, and this free stuff is just feeding my paid community. Some people out of my social audience, they go directly into my paid stuff. It's just an environment where I can talk and engage with people and nurture everyone and keep moving them further so they get those outcomes that they desire, right? But just so you know, the difference between your free stuff and your paid stuff, as part of your free stuff, free community, you're gonna give them a forum, right, where they can ask questions, and you're gonna give them maybe also your course away for free, or you're gonna record a free video masterclass, a little bit of education that they can study and go through for free anyway. And that's a huge value giveaway. They're gonna love it, right? And then you also introduce to them a paid option, which would, the biggest differentiator between free and paid would be, you know, that the paid people can come to your weekly live Q&A calls and coaching calls, right, which free people wouldn't be able to come to. I mean, that's how I did it myself, right? My paid members come to my weekly Zoom calls and they can get live their questions answered, and I can coach them and guide them and so on, right? So that's the biggest differentiator of free and paid stuff. And if you would now like to get access to my free course, I have a full-blown course where I can teach you and show you how you can build your own free community on Facebook or on Skool, so you can build an email list and you can have a private, intimate environment of people, all that I just discussed with you, right? Come to my free Skool community. I'm running my own community, and you can find the link below. You're gonna get access to this free course of how to build a free group community, and and also to another course where I actually teach you completely for free. It's 3.5 hours long course, how to build a paid community membership as well. I am giving you away both of these courses completely for free. I just want to help you, guide you on this journey so you get some results, you move forward with your growth and successes yourself. And if you're gonna have any questions, I'm gonna answer those questions also in my free community. Okay, so take that next step right now, and I will see you in my other videos.